Where are you going? What will you do? Hey, it's Megan, brings the world to you.
Hello everyone, it's Megan. How are you doing? We are at Myakka River State Park today, and we decided to come out and spend some time outside and get some fresh air. I'm pretty sure that this is, I think, the second largest state park in the state of Florida. We got here a little late in the day, and we were going to go canoeing. We decided once we got down here and saw the canoes, we should go canoeing. But they only had a half an hour left for the canoes, so we figured we'll come out here earlier in the day next time and do canoes. And I also realized that I didn't eat enough before coming out, so I'm hungry. I had like an apple and some snacks, so I ended up, their little food truck is about to close, so I ended up getting a hot dog and some cold slaw to, eat. It's definitely nothing special, but yeah, it comes with a little pickle that's buried right there. So yeah, it's about maybe doing like a camping weekend, one weekend while out here. So we just came down to where the gift shop and little food cafe is, and just behind me is where the river, Myakka River, comes up, and so you would be able to see like things like alligators or birds or whatnot. There was a time I first came out here, well, one of the first times I came out here, I saw a wild boar on the other side of the river, so that was pretty crazy to see. Yeah, let's go up there and look.